So with the decrease that we're seeing, again, in the demand for oil, you're now seeing an increase in the supply of lithium all across North-Amexem, Congo, Sheba. You're finding it outside of Harare. You're finding it in Mali Beni Warith. And now you just found a massive find of lithium in the Mamlaka-Al-Saud. And don't forget that the Kushite mountain range west, under the control of Kabul, that's basically the Mamlaka-Al-Saud of lithium. Like Mamlaka-Al-Saud has oil, they got lots of lithium in Kushite mountain range west. So massive supply. So all electrons that depend on lithium, plenty of supply to go around. And lithium is the future. Oil is fading into the past, just like coal did. So there's opportunities so the melanated man and women across the planet can dig into those opportunities and be able to find some prosperity if they do it right. We provide the jurisdiction and venue to do that. We provide the imperial court for the dispute resolution, the monetary policy, because we mint our own money on our own equipment. We have it in circulation and distribution. So it allows us to provide the viable option. It allows us to give our folks a leap forward because of the imperial depository system. Now, parties need training. Parties need guidance, direction, and support, and we'll provide that just the same. It's a transition. It's a transition. It takes time, especially when a lot of folks, our kith and kindred in general, are oblivious to many things, including the things that are detrimental to them, but also oblivious to the viable options, choices, and solutions that are made available to them, particularly through the work that we do. And as folks come into information, some may not care. Some may cling to the status quo. However, there are those that will be looking to the future. And of those, our kith and kindred looking to the future, some of them are going to find their way onto us. And when they do, we'll be ready. We have everything in hand right now to get them moving. And some may take the position that they wish they would have met us sooner. And we do too. Just the same. Right now, I know things are bleak in the eyes of many. However, the future is very, very bright. We just have to push through particular things. We have to bob and weave around some nonsense and survive some cataclysms and extinction level event scenarios. However, we'll get through. And when we do, we are positioned to not just survive, we're in position to thrive. Taking care of what we had to take care of for us to make sure we've got plenty of non-GMO seeds, water treatment abilities, and so on and so forth. That allows us to be able to stand on our own. And there'll be those who will be looking for what we make available. We'll train them and we'll inculcate them in. We'll save lives and improve the quality of lives in the process as we bring everyone on our own terms to a level of comfortable prosperity. It's not platitudes or what some would call pie in the sky. It's going to take some work, some dedication, some commitment. It's going to take parties prepared to unlearn a great many things. I know that we're reading intensive. It takes a lot of reading to get through the materials that we have. I know that our training classes are rather intense. And I know that all those things combined, some folks are not ready. Well, some folks will find themselves in the old-fashioned swimming lesson. Just throw them in and tell them to swim to the other side. And we'll just be alongside so they don't go down and drown.